Hi guys, I want to show you what the firmware update process should look like for iOS. So for iOS it'll be automatic. After you update your app, you can swipe as usual to reveal meters in the area. You can see the firmware build, and the app is going to check the firmware build and will automatically prompt you if it needs an update. And then it should just start the update. And on iOS that should take about a minute. You can see the LED is blinking pretty furiously here. So once the upload is complete, the meter resets itself. You can see that very familiar blink pattern of when it reboots. Just give the app a minute. There is a known bug that sometimes it'll hang after the upload for about 10 seconds. But yeah, don't worry about that. So yeah, in that case I quit out of the app and came back into it to prompt it to get going again. That's a known bug. Sorry about that, working on it. So if you scan again, you'll see before the firmware ended in, the firmware build number ended in 315. It's a higher number now. If you connect to the meter, it should be the same familiar interface. What's changed though is that now you can set the logging interval. Right now the options are maximum rate, 1 second, 10 second, or 1 minute intervals. By default it'll be at 1 second. And so whatever settings you have in the measurement page will be saved when you quit if you turn on logging. And if you have an SD card in there, it'll wake up every interval, restore these settings, take a log, write it to the SD card, and go back to sleep. So it's set for 1 second intervals. So if I disconnect, you should see the LED blink on once a second.